Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean this little gasket off of your Yeti cup or your traveling mug. You really need to clean it every once in a while, probably every few days, because it can get bacteria and mold buildup, and you can get sick off of this if you let it go without cleaning it. So I'm going to show you pretty quick how to clean it. It's pretty simple. So you just grab a little Tupperware container, just kind of like this, and what you're going to do is you're going to peel the gasket off, and you're going to just set it in there, and we're going to fill this up about halfway with water. All right, now that we have our water, it's about halfway in. We're going to take some distilled white vinegar, and we're just going to pour probably about a quarter cup in. Just a little bit more. All right, and then what I like to do too is I like to just add a few drops of Dawn. Dawn seems to work really good. Gets really lathery. Just a few squirts, and then I take an old toothbrush, and just kind of mix it up, kind of get a little bit of suds going. Then kind of scrub it a little bit here and there. Just kind of clean it off. You're going to go all the way around it, then just kind of let it stir it up a little bit, and you're going to let it sit for, I usually let it sit for a couple hours. And then the lid too, especially if you drink coffee, you get the coffee. This one should be clear, but it's a coffee stained. So I'm just gonna set that in there too, and I'm gonna just let that soak. And in a few hours, I'll take it back out, and then I will scrub it and pretty much clean it off. All right, now that we let it sit for a couple hours, we're gonna take it out. We're gonna scrub it a little bit. I pretty much already scrubbed it already again before I came back on camera, just to kind of go quick. Just do a quick little scrub of the lid to get really in there, because I kind of forgot to do the lid. So yeah, you really want to get this all cleaned out and stuff, because you don't want to get sick, because the bacteria in this from your coffee or any drink that you have in there, and if you don't wash it really good, it's just going to stay in there, and over time it's going to get bacteria and mold build up, and we don't want that. So that's why we put it in the vinegar and soap. The vinegar is pretty much going to sterilize it naturally, and so we don't have to use really any harsh chemicals on it, and the soap really helps get all the grime and everything off of it. So we're going to rinse these off, and then I will show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, now I washed these off, rinsed them off, and they're a lot cleaner. The clear lid is now clear, where it used to be kind of a light brown or whatever, because of the coffee stains and whatnot. And the rubber gasket is all nice and clean. It doesn't smell like coffee anymore, because if you ever smelled one of these after drinking coffee, that's all it smells like is a bunch of coffee grounds. And so that's why we want to clean it off, just like how we clean our coffee pots. It's basically, you're using the same method of cleaning this as you would a coffee pot, and sterilizing that and getting all the staining off of it and whatnot. So if this video has helped you, if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe down below, or if you have any other methods of cleaning this and you'd like to just share it, post it in the comment section below. I'm happy to hear other ways of cleaning, and let me know if it's been helpful to you. All right, take care.